Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the Easy Tech tutorial. Samsung is once again pushing some important updates for the Galaxy device, and today we got two major ones to talk about. So the first one is Samsung Language Core, which has received a massive AI-focused update, and second, the Wonderland Good Lock module just got smarter and smoother with the new improvements for custom wallpapers and lock screen effects. So if you love Samsung customization, AI features, and making your Galaxy phone feel unique, this video is definitely for you. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into it. So first we'll go ahead and head over to the Galaxy store and check out the latest update. So here on the left I have the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and on the right here I've got the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So here I've already updated mine. However, there are two updates which we're rolling out. The first one is the Samsung Language Core and the second one is Wonderland module. So let's go ahead and start with Samsung Language Core because the update is huge, literally. So I'll go ahead and search for Samsung Language Core on both of these phones. Now we'll go ahead and scroll down. So the latest version is 3.0.0.19 and the update size is more than 3 gig, as you can see right here. As you can see on the S25, this has just been updated recently, and on my S26, it has been updated a week ago. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is Samsung Language Core? So this is basically the engine behind many Galaxy AI features on your Samsung phones. So it powers advanced language understanding and AI generation directly on your device while running offline for better privacy and security. And honestly, that explains the huge update size. So let's go ahead and look at the description of what it includes. So Samsung says the app handles features like grammar and writing suggestions in Samsung Keyboard. You have smart reply suggestions and notifications. You have AI summaries for calls and voice recording. You have natural language search in Gallery. You have a health insight in Samsung Health, personalized now brief summaries, and smart things, energy reports and recommendations. And because all of this processing runs offline, Samsung has to include large AI language models directly on your phone instead of relying completely on cloud service. So that means your data stays more private, responses are faster, and AI features work even without an internet connection. So if you see an update on your Samsung Galaxy phone, definitely install it as soon as possible because it directly improves AI performance and overall system intelligence. Now moving on to the second update, and honestly this one is super fun if you love customization. So Samsung has updated the Wonderland module inside Good Lock. So this is the latest version, 1.6.19. And Samsung has mainly focused on optimization and stability improvements this time. So according to this is the changelog. So the 3D effect for portrait motion wallpapers is working properly again. Photo and video permissions are now optional and smarter. Wallpaper videos and animations stopping randomly has been fixed. You have storage optimization, which has been improved now. Temporary, unnecessary files are cleaned up better, and the backup restore issue has now been fixed. So no major new updates here, but the app is now smoother, more stable, and more optimized. So if you never used Wonderland before, you're seriously missing out, as it's one of the coolest Samsung customization apps ever made. So Wonderland module lets you create animated wallpapers, motion wallpapers, interactive lock screen effects, gradient wallpapers, particle animations, touch responsive wallpapers, and custom transition between AOD and lock screen. So basically it gives your phone a completely unique personality. So let me show you how to do this. So to get this, you want to go ahead and open up your Galaxy store. In your Galaxy store, you want to go ahead and search for the Good Lock app. Go ahead and install this app, then open it. And now within the app, you want to go ahead and install the Wonderland module. So once you open up the Wonderland module, you can go ahead and create your own moving wallpaper, or you can create different lock screen effects. So here, let me just go ahead and show you. So say, for example, if I'm creating your own moving wallpaper, you can go ahead and tap on the plus sign. You can go ahead and choose a photo from your gallery. So let's say, for example, this picture here. So here we can go ahead and choose image, text, video, particle effects, or particle presets. So let me go ahead and choose particle effects, and we'll go ahead and choose this flower here. Now here we can go ahead and select the movement. So let's go ahead and choose scattered raindrops. And here we have two options. We can autoplay it, so you can have scattered raindrops falling on your screen, or you can have the touch effect. Let me go ahead and choose the autoplay here. We can go ahead and configure this. So this is how it's going to look. Go ahead and configure all this and then preview it. So this is how it looks like. So now once you're happy, you can press save and then save again. And then you can go ahead and set this as your wallpaper. Look at this. So it's not something super necessary, but it definitely makes your phone feel more alive and fun to use. Now next I want to go ahead and show you this create a different lock screen effect. So here you can go ahead and create this kind of effect. So when you lock and then you unlock it, so this is what you'll get as an effect. So let me just show you. If I tap on a plus sign, go ahead and tap on image. Let's go ahead and choose an image. Tap on close. And now here we'll tap on the effect style. So we can go ahead and choose CRT monitor, pixelate, ripple, sphere, warp, edge, hexagon, slice, flip, slide, and fluid. So this is the effect when you wake up your device and you look at your lock screen. So I'll go ahead and choose the fluid and press close. And now I can go and press effect settings and I go ahead and configure this. Now I'll press save, give save again. And then I'll go ahead and set this as my wallpaper. So I'll go ahead and set this for my lock screen only. Tap on home. So there you go, the effect has just applied. So if I go and wake it up, this is the effect I get. So honestly, some of these effects looks incredibly premium. So another amazing thing about Wonderland is Wallpaper Creator, where you can basically create custom gradients, multicolor wallpapers. You can go ahead and add images, text, videos, and even add particles as well. So just let me show you this as well. If I tap on plus, so instead of choosing an image from the gallery, go ahead and choose color. And here, go ahead and first choose your first color. Then go ahead and tap on the plus sign here and choose your second color. Now press done. And now you have 2-color custom gradient. You can go ahead and change the angle. You can go ahead and choose your colors as well. Once done, press save. And now you can go ahead and add image, text, videos, and particle effects to it as well. Once you're happy with that, press save at the top right, save, and then go ahead and set this as your wallpaper. So the best part is you don't need any third-party wallpaper apps for this. You can literally build your own premium animated wallpaper directly on your Galaxy phone. So if you're creative, you can make some seriously stunning setups with this app. Now with the Samsung improving Galaxy AI through Language Core and improving customization through Wonderland, it's pretty clear Samsung is heavily focused on both intelligence and personalization for Galaxy devices this year. And honestly, this combination is what makes Samsung phones stand out. You get powerful AI features while also getting unmatched customization option. So definitely go ahead and update both Samsung Language Core and Wonderland on your Galaxy phone and let me know in the comment section down below. So have you received this Samsung Language Core update yet? And do you use Wonderland on your Galaxy device? So if you enjoyed this video and found this helpful, please make sure to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to the Easy Tech tutorial, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss upcoming Samsung updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.